No ego and no self are not the same, though on the surface they can seem like they are. No self is actually deeper than no ego. Many spiritual traditions teach that the ego is not who you truly are, that your true self is deeper than your ego and spiritual in nature. In these traditions, your true self might be identified with spirit, awareness, a timeless presence, an unchanging essence, the I am, and so on. It can be difficult to see at first, but this is not no self. No self is actually a step beyond even this. No self is not merely the absence of ego, but it is the absence of a self of any kind, whether that self is physical, mental, spiritual, or anything else. However, no self isn't the end of life or of conscious experience. The presence of the self does alter your perception and obscure your vision of the whole, but the absence of self coincides with the recognition of an all-encompassing wholeness, and it is synonymous with what I call full enlightenment.